I'm Sister Mercedes.
And I'm Sister Peter Thomas. Welcome to Manners Monday.
Today we have some tips about cleanliness, which, as the Proverbs say, is next to godliness.
You know, cleaning mirrors is a job I could really see myself doing. Cleaning up after yourself shows that you have respect for the place where you are and for the people who have the responsibility of keeping it nice.
So keep your mess in check. So first, clean up after yourself and don't expect someone else to. Your trash is your trash, not someone else's.
If you can't find the trash in the recycling bin, just ask someone. And if you can't find someone to ask, try to tidy up all your things in a logical spot.
So if you make a mess, clean it up. And this goes for all types of messes.
So spills in the grocery aisle, or craft supplies that are out when you're working on something, or water all over the counter when you're scrubbing coffee out of your habit.
They don't do that.
Oh, I do that. Whatever it is, clean it up if you can, and if you can't, find a worker and apologize.
So pro tip, this is convent level clean. When you're in a restroom and you wash your hands and you get a paper towel, just clean up the whole area. You're going to leave it nice and tidy for the next person.
That is nice.
Right.
It's also good to wipe your shoes on the way into a building. People appreciate that. And if you're a guest at somebody's home, follow their lead. If they take their shoes off at the door, follow suit.
And when you're cleaning out your stuff, just make sure you're not taking anything that's old, too used, or too decrepit, because donating that is actually a little unkind and inconsiderate.
But if you've got lightly used items, it's great. They can have a whole second life in somebody else's home.
Yep.
Thanks for joining us for Manners Monday.
Remember, like and subscribe.
See you next week.
See ya. Which, as people say, is close to godliness.
I think it's next to godliness.
Next to godliness.
How do you feel about that word decrepit?
I kind of like it.
Good. It's one of my favorite pieces of vocabulary.
Like a dog, you know, it's like find your place in your home.
Are you the forever home for this lightly used item?